Morena, Tamarikima, Whānau and Kayako. Thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to sing some more action songs, some more action waiata. So some of the new actions we're going to learn is korero, talking, korero, haurira, which is flap your arms like a bird, like a manu, a bird, flap, hope hope, shake your hips, and paki paki. Can you show me your paki paki, your clapping? Ah, kapai, well done. So we'll start off with that and then we'll do our new actions and our old actions. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Now it's time to huri, to turn around. And then when we finish turning around, we're going to etu, stand up or stand still. Kapai? Okay. Huri, etu. Huri, etu. Huri, etu. Huri, etu. And then we go back to korero. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Now it's time for a new action, peke, jumping. Can you show me your jumping? Oh, kapai. So the same as before, we do some jumping, we do peke, and then we etu, we stand up. Peke, 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 etu. 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 And korero again. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Now we're going to oma. Do you remember running? Ready? Oma, 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 etu. Oma, 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 etu. Oma, 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 etu. Oma, 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 and korero. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Now we're going to do kani kani, dancing. Kani 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 kani, etu. 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 Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. One more time. Korero, parirao, hope hope, paki paki. Oh, Tamarikima, excellent work. You have learnt so many actions now. You know them in English, in Te Reo Māori, and in New Zealand Sign Language. Excellent work. Thanks for joining me again. I hope you had lots of fun. Stay safe, stay healthy, look after your family, and have lots of fun. Ka kite anō. See you soon.